welcome to Geek Summit. Today we have brought you the courses from one of the famous institute of India, which is a Upgrad. Upgrad is one of the leading institute of India, and it provides training on various technologies, and it also trains the people on real-time projects, and it also provides one-to-one membership. So we have bought you the courses of Upgrad for free, which has a lot of interactive material. So let's get started. First of all, you have to give your name, next you have to give your phone number, and you have to give your mail ID, and you have to provide a password, and you have to click on accept the terms and conditions, and you have to sign up. You have to log in first. Then you can see here the courses, the introduction to blockchain, and when you click on it, it will show you the course content. So when you click on course content, it will show the following material. On completion of it, you will get a certificate. Here you can click on switch on programs. Next, it will show the available programs. Getting started with front-end development. Again, it gives a knowledge of about front-end technologies. It will cover from basic to the advanced level. Again, it gives us a course about blockchain development with Ethereum. So it gives a knowledge about how can you implement blockchain development with Ethereum. And next, the course is about business analytics. This course is about this course covers following topics: the upgrade learning experience and jargon busting, and understanding the problem and formulating hypothesis. It means while ever doing a project, whenever a problem arises, by using business analytics, you can find out a solution to the problem by performing various analysis, and while working in a company, you can save your company from a problem by performing the analysis of the data. So it covers the entire syllabus, again starting with understanding problem and formulating hypothesis to anatomy of decisions and data analysis and analyzing patterns and storytelling and performing the exploratory data analysis. So it also has various quizzes. On completing them, you will get a certificate to your mail. Certificate will not be issued here in Upgrad. However, after course completion, you will get a mail from Upgrad which is a certificate of completion. The next course is Python for data science. If you are wishing to learn about data science, you can go through this course, and you can learn how to use Python language in data science. It covers the topics from how to use NumPy and how to use Matplotlib and various packages in data science. The next course is about getting started with Java programming. If you are a beginner to Java programming, then I suggest you to go through this course. This course gives an idea of the basics of Java program, and also you can get a certificate for free after the completion of the course, and it also has introduction to machine learning concepts. So this course provides a initial concepts of machine learning. So what is machine learning and why it is used and what are its applications. So you can see here the linear regression and logical how logistic regression is performed, and you can learn to build a recommendation system, and you can perform clustering of the data easily by learning these techniques from the course mentioned. The next is management essentials, which is related to MBA, and the following are the digital marketing. So if you are willing to learn about digital marketing, you can go through this course, and introduction to deep learning and natural language processing, which is NLP. So by going through this course, it will provide a basic knowledge of what is NLP and why it is used, and what is deep learning and neural networks. The next one is Node.js. So if you are willing to learn Node.js, then you can go through this course, Mastering React.js with a phone directory. So it provides the basics of React.js right from basic to the advanced level for beginners. So if you are willing to learn data structures and algorithm, then this course will be a must. And this course covers the top digital marketing skills of the 2020. It means this course highlights the main skills that are required for a digital marketing strategist. And the next course is statistics for data science. The statistics is the important concept that is to be learned in order to perform machine learning, and it also be essential for data science. So if you are willing to be a data scientist, then I suggest you to go for statistics and learn the basics of it, and how data science is used in e-commerce is the last course. So I hope these courses will be helpful to you guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.